In a world ravaged by conflict, where hunger gnaws at the soul and the rumble of empty stomachs echoes louder than gunfire, there exists a legend. A beacon of hope in a vacuum-sealed pouch, a culinary marvel that defies the laws of nature and the limits of taste buds. This, my friends, is no ordinary pizza. This is MIL-DTL-32541. What, you might ask, is this alphanumeric abomination, this culinary enigma? Simply put, MIL-DTL-32541 is the military's answer to a soldier's eternal question: can't a grunt get a decent slice of pizza around here? Developed by the geniuses, yes, geniuses, at the Natick Soldier Systems Centre, it's a fully cooked, shelf-stable pizza designed to last up to 3 years without refrigeration. Imagine pepperoni, cheese and sauce, hermetically sealed in a plastic pouch, ready to be devoured at a moment's notice. No freezer burn, no delivery guy, just pure, unadulterated pizza gratification, anywhere, anytime. Now, I know what you're thinking. 3 years without refrigeration? Surely some dark magic is at play. Fear not, dear reader, for the secret to longevity lies not in the supernatural, but in the wonders of science. The pizza's remarkable shelf life is achieved through a combination of clever packaging and carefully calibrated ingredients. The magic happens inside the pouch, where oxygen absorbers work tirelessly to remove any trace of air. This prevents oxidation, which is the culprit behind spoilage and that dreaded off taste. Meanwhile, the pizza itself is formulated with ingredients specially chosen for their resistance to moisture and microbial growth. It's a delicate dance of chemistry and culinary arts, all orchestrated to deliver a slice of pizza perfection, no matter how hostile the environment. Section 4. A grunt's honest review. Not my mum's pizza, but now let's talk taste. I won't lie, this pizza isn't going to win any Michelin stars. But, and this is a big but, when you're miles from civilization with nothing but the clothes on your back and the rumbling in your stomach, this pizza becomes a culinary godsend. Imagine, you've been trekking through the jungle for days, rations running low, morale lower. Then you crack open a pouch. The aroma of herbs and tomato sauce fills the air. The cheese, though not exactly mozzarella di bufala, stretches invitingly. You take a bite and it's not bad at all. Is it gourmet? No. Is it edible, comforting and surprisingly satisfying? Absolutely. And in the theatre of war, sometimes that's all that matters. Section 5. Beyond the battlefield, the versatility of vacuum-sealed victuals. The beauty of it lies not just in its taste, or lack thereof, but in its versatility. Think about it. A pizza that can withstand the rigors of combat is a pizza that can handle anything. Natural disasters? Check. Camping trips gone awry? Absolutely. That awkward moment when your in-laws announce a surprise visit and your pantry is bare? MIL-DTL-32541 to the rescue. This, my friends, is a pizza for all occasions, a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring power of a good, or at least edible, slice of pizza. Section 6, a toast and a slice to innovation, the future of field food. So, what does the future hold for this marvel of modern military cuisine? Will we one day see this gracing the aisles of our local supermarkets? Only time will tell, but probably not. But one thing's for sure, the ingenuity behind this pizza, the sheer audacity of creating a shelf-stable slice that can survive the harshest conditions, deserves our admiration. It's a testament to the dedication of those who work tirelessly to ensure that our troops, no matter where they are never too far from a taste of home. To the troops and to the pizza that fuels them, we salute you. And to the possibility of a future where shelf-stable pizza becomes a household staple. Well, a grunt can dream, can't they?